टीम गेट माई यूनिवर्सिटी आज आपके लिए आई है उज़्बेकिस्तान के एक बहुत ही प्यारे सिटी में, दैट इज़ फरगाना। फरगाना एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग सिटी हमें लगा, बहुत पीस लविंग सिटी, बहुत ही डेवलप्ड सिटी, एंड फरगाना इज़ नोन एज द टूरिस्ट कैपिटल ऑफ उज़्बेकिस्तान। आज हम खड़े हैं एट वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अमेजिंग कैंपस ऑफ उज़्बेकिस्तान। आई विल गिव यू अ राउंड ऑफ दिस ट्रिप ऑफ दिस ब्यूटीफुल कैंपस। दिस इज़ फरगाना मेडिकल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ। और उज़्बेकिस्तान का सिस्टम क्या होता है, फॉर एवरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट, लाइक फरगाना इज़ वन ऑफ द मेजर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, देयर is one medical hospital and there is one medical institute, so both are integrated, so every patient has to come, and this is a state government, it's a government college, it's a government university. So let me give you a brief overview about the campus where we are staying, and trust me guys, this is one of the most amazing and most elaborate campus and most organized campus. Personally, team Get My University have visited overall when I compare with India as well as abroad also. So let me start. So this is the block, you can see from this place to that. This first part is academic block and the second part is the is the administrative block, and the second part is the academic block जहाँ पे बच्चों की classes होती हैं. Over there if I'll see, right, that is a simulation center. That white building you can see guys, that is a simulation center. Vivetri specimen center, that is a specimen center whereby there are a lot of specimens जो वहाँ पे बच्चों को रखे गए हैं. A lot of elaborate specimen, आप देख सकते हैं पूरा सेंटर ही बनाया हुआ है specimen, not just a room. This building, if you see this whole yellow block in between, this is the simulation center. Can you believe that a university providing such a big simulation center with lot of elaborate simulations, activities, machineries for the academic teaching of the students, and इतना elaborate simulation center, I think we have not seen that. Moving forward, मैं अभी आपको आइडिया देता हूँ. I'll take you inside also. वहाँ जो आप white building देख रहे हैं, that white building is the auditorium, which is one of the most refined auditoriums we have seen, जहाँ बच्चों की MCI classes भी होती हैं, and this is 500 seater auditorium. I'll show you from inside as well. That building behind the trees, that is a morphological department. Morphological department में first year, second year के पूरे classes होते हैं, and that is divided across the multiple stages, multiple floors. And guys, this is the most beautiful thing, central area of the university. This is the beautiful sports infrastructure. You can see there's a beautiful racing track, there is a hockey or football ground, see, and you have other avenues also. So it's a central place with sports activities within this campus. Such an amazing campus, such a beautiful and a lively, and you can feel the freshness of this thing, right? And Fargana is known as a Fargana Valley, right? So the people as a tourist, if they are coming to Fargana, सबसे ज़्यादा tourist इसलिए आता है because of the natural beauty. So guys, let's come and I'll show you to the particular centers. So this is where we have patient simulation center, whereby a lot of simulators are there, right? And it is very beautiful place. It's a very organized, systematic treasure जो बनाया गया है बच्चों के पूरे learning के, because this is a medical college, right? और medical college का जो ambition है, that is for teaching, right? Whether it is through simulation, practical classes इनके hospital में होते हैं, we'll take you to the hospital, but simulation का इतना अच्छा setup हमने इंडिया के भी इतने colleges visit किए हैं, इतना dedicated simulation center हमने नहीं देखा, which is very nice, right? And let's go to our next block. So guys, this is where we are standing. This is the morphological building, जहाँ first year और second year बच्चों के major classes किए जाते हैं conduct. So this is the morphological building of Fargana Medical Institute of Public Health. So on the first floor we have Department of Anatomy. On the second floor we have Department of Pathological Physiology. On the third floor we have Department of this is Physiological Anatomy and Judicial Medicine, and Physiology is there. So guys, let us see. We'll see the first floor. So there's the corridor. See, that's it look like. Because abhi right now we are standing at the anatomy department, first floor. So these are the respected faculty members of anatomy, right? Very, very renowned profiles. And these are the people, these are the teachers, these are the respected doctors which are integrating with the students, interacting and then making them learn the whole education process of anatomy, the basic sciences. Come here. See, this is very interesting. This is Uzbekistan and India Friendship Board, right? Over here you will find especially Indian doctors, Indian people, and excellent Indian student board, leader board. See them some photographs you will see of the practical classes also. So ये सारे Indian doctors हैं, Indian students हैं, Indian activities हैं, India के sports activities हैं, you know, the students who are integrating and participating. उज़्बेकिस्तान में जो मैं आपको बहुत बेसिक चीज़ बताता हूँ, इंडिया के साथ they share a very integrated relationship, right? I mean, anyway, if you say in India, I mean, you'll find a culture of India everywhere. So he is the departmental founder of anatomy, right? So that's how this whole corridor is being placed, right? And there are a lot of specimens inside. I'll take you to another department. So that's how this is anatomy, second is physiology, and so on. Let's go to the another vertical. So this is a corridor which is connecting your building to your simulation center, and the beauty of this college is there is a vision behind everything. Just to give an example, you can see there's a phrase per aspera and astra, right? What does it mean? It is mean from I was just googling, it's a Latin word, right? And it means through suffering to the stars. So जो college है इसमें एक एक चीज़ को इतना meticulously plan किया गया है ना, so everything has a meaning. You will find everything with a purpose, right? And that gives you a sense of delight कि कितने तरीके से, कितने minutely they are also trying to revive or to orient the life of a student as well. So let's move forward and अभी हम जाते हैं यहाँ के auditorium पे, जहाँ की बच्चों के MCI की क्लासेस कंडक्ट किए जाते हैं, एंड यू विल बी मेस्मराइज्ड टू सी द सेंट्रल ऑडिटोरियम, जहाँ पे आपको पता चलेगा. सो अभी हम इस सेक्शन को आपको दिखाने जा रहे हैं ऑफ फरगना मेडिकल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ. दिस इज़ द ऑडिटोरियम. आप खुद देखिए किस लेवल का ऑडिटोरियम इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, एंड दिस ऑडिटोरियम इज यूज्ड बाय द स्टूडेंट्स फॉर देयर क्लासेस, राइट? सी दिस ऑडिटोरियम गाइस. And this is one of the most modern auditoriums that we have seen so far. इस auditorium की जो overall capacity है, this is around 500 capacity auditorium, right? With very good, nice and very organized seating arrangement, right? And you'll see a view from here, right? You'll see huge curtains over there, right? So proper एक lighting है, एक ventilation है पूरे auditorium के अंदर. और आप खुद इमेजिन करिए अगर एक बच्चा, एंड इट इज़ ऑल सेंट्रलाइज साउंड, राइट? पूरा सेंट्रल साउंड सिस्टम यहाँ पे है आपका. आप उस तरफ से देखेंगे अगर, राइट, हाउ डज इट फील व्हेन अ स्टूडेंट इज अटेंडिंग द क्लास और इज MCI क्लास से, एंड दैट इज द पोडियम फ्रॉम वेयर द क्लासेस आर बीइंग कंडक्टेड, राइट? सो दैट इज द वन, राइट? It is all air ventilated. You can see tower air conditioners all standing, right? So it's all ventilated, properly ventilated. This beautiful classroom and the beautiful learning ecosystem of this institute is coming from, right? And this is a very personally very enriching experience from Team Get My University के college जो है इस level का infrastructure students को, international students को provide भी करा रहा है. So for any student, any person, when it comes to study, entertainment, everything, there is a very important part for refreshment, for some snacking things like snacking time, yeah, refilling time. And this is the refreshment center of this beautiful university, जहाँ आपको सब कुछ मिलेगा. You have Indian samosas, to a lot of Indian vegetables, to properly Indian menu is there, जो college ने बहुत specifically plan किया है for all the students who are participating in this learning atmosphere. So all in all, this is the vicinity of the campus. Over here I'll also show you some sports infrastructure, right? Over here they have a separate infrastructure for cricketing, and they have nets and everything. So for the students who want to participate, there's a properly well managed sports. So see, you can see hockey poles are there, you have football poles are there, and this is a whole campus property itself, right? So all in all, जो एक चीज़ हमें अच्छी लगी, आप देख सकते हैं आज इस समय मौसम अच्छा है, and you'll see a lot of beautiful flowers blossoming all around, right? Spring time. And one more important thing is, you see solar panels are there installed everywhere, right? So this is a very ecology sensitive campus, जहाँ cleanliness, hygiene as well as electricity का भी alternate mechanism यहाँ पे बनाया हुआ है, right? So all in all, sports is again a very important part of a student life cycle. You do a lot of hard work, you do a lot of academics, but when it is mesmerized, it's mixed up and fused with a good sports entertainment, then definitely it's a wholesome life, it's a complete life. So finally, we are at the end of the medical college review of this college, Fargana Medical College. And this is a beautiful campus surrounded and loaded with everything from building blocks, academic blocks, sports entertainment, this administrative blocks, right? Beautiful educating and beautiful auditorium I've shown you, sports infrastructure, canteen, all in all in a beautiful campus. So simulation center and everything is there. So एक स्टूडेंट के लिए सब कुछ एक प्यारे से बहुत ऑर्गेनाइज सुंदर ग्रीन कैंपस में सब कुछ मिल रहा है. एंड आई थिंक फ्रॉम गेट माई यूनिवर्सिटी दिस इज़ अ हैंड्स अप, दिस इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल कैंपस जहाँ पढ़ सकते हैं. एंड उज़्बेकिस्तान इज़ अ वेलकमिंग कंट्री. लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं, पीपल आर वेरी वार्मिंग. हम जिससे भी मिले बहुत अच्छा हमें एक्सपीरियंस मिला. सो वी विश स्टूडेंट्स विल फाइंड दिस कॉलेज एज अ पोटेंशियल ऑप्शंस. आपके कोई भी पर्सनल क्वेरीज हो, वी नीड्स एनी इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस कैंपस और एनी अदर कैंपस for any other country, then please feel free to get in touch with Get My University. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful education and a wonderful college search.